I tell you one thing that you must do right now to really stand out from the crowd, and that has to do with the videos. Now is the time, especially with everything that is going on. Consumer is hungry, consumer is craving for information that they can use in making a decision whether they want to buy a house or sell a house. So you, as a real estate sales professional, it's your job to put out as many videos as possible. And these videos have to be educational videos. Again, I cannot stress this enough. This is not like videos where you scare the bejesus out of them. It's educational videos. It's really letting them know, directing them and pointing them in making the right decision. It's okay to have a video that is not perfect or it's not the best. You know, I'm sure there are a lot of videos that I've done that are not the best, but as long as you're being real, as long as you're being genuine, as long as you really try to convey your point of view, your message and what you're thinking and what you're sharing with them is going to benefit them, that's all that matters. We have several agents here in a brokerage, many actually agents in a brokerage that utilize videos as one of their key lead generating sources in their business. We have an agent, her name is Susan Oliveira, and in the last couple of days she just picked up a listing from posting video on Facebook. We have another agent, Felix. He recently listed a $2.5 million house in Scottsdale off the video as well. So definitely utilize the videos, guys. Double down on it. If you need help in terms of the topics, the type of videos that you want to record, shoot me a quick message and I'll be more than happy to send you our 52-week video guide, if you will, with all the 52 topics for the next 52 weeks that you can utilize in your business. Hope you're having a great day. Take care. Bye.